Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation of iExecODB2P. I'm Adrien Croubois and I'll be presenting you my work for this HackFS hackathon. So my work focuses on the iExecODB. What is the ODB? It's the Open Decentralized brokering, so basically that's the protocol powering the iExec marketplace. This protocol is pretty similar to 0x protocol that you may know, consisting of signed structures that are exchange of chain, that are signed and that can be sent to the blockchain for verification by a smart contract. It's decentralized by design, but the current implementation relies on a centralized point, which is the iExec marketplace. This is a place where people are publishing their order or where they are querying other people's order in order to make matches, what we call deals in the iExec ecosystem. So by design it's decentralized, but sure we can do much better than that and have a more powerful layer for communicating orders. So this is why I decided to take this time, the HackFS hackathon, to try and build a prototype for a better implementation. The required features are obviously decentralization, but liveness, efficiency and security are also paramount. We want to have a censorship-resistant protocol that is low overhead on each node, so we need garbage collection of invalid orders or past orders, and we need Byzantine fault tolerance. We don't want anyone to be able to publish bad orders or, even worse, erase existing orders. So it's not just another decentralized hash table built on top of libp2p, but this is more like blockchain aware. We want to have blockchain in mind and build our infrastructure with blockchain at the heart. So this is the initial design. I won't go over it very long, but you could see that I started by building my own distributed data store using libp2p Gothic sub and a local data store with Mongo, but it was not that efficient and it was very difficult to manage the replication and the search mechanism. It was very secure, however. The later design uses OrbitDB for better functionality and also for the search capability of OrbitDB, which is very nice. One of the issues, however, is that OrbitDB is not blockchain aware, so I had to embed some of the checks into the code through the iExecODB core. And so you've seen that on one side there is the blockchain that is listened to, on the other side there is the distributed structure data store, and you also have an optional REST API below that can serve external nodes. So this is where modularity comes to mind. First, OrbitDB is necessary, it's the heart of the system. But there are additional modules that you can enable through command lines, which is blockchain awareness to have better vision of validity of orders, blockchain listening to be able to share information coming from the blockchain to nodes, like an order just being cancelled by its owner, and a REST API, which is an option that is not available for browser node, but that allows external clients to connect to a node. So this is a view of the network, and you can see that we support both browser nodes and basic Node.js node, and the Node.js node are the one listening to the blockchain and the one serving terminals through the REST API. This is a view of my prototype. On the left you've got the React application, the browserified version that connects to the network and can show you the data store. You can also inject new orders from that. And on the right side you've got both the Node.js daemon running and another terminal just asking data through the REST API. So beyond the hackathon, there is still a lot of work to do. Security is a major concern, so I'll have to build a custom access controller for OrbitDB that is more blockchain aware. I also want to focus on the libp2p optimization, potentially creating a private network separating from the IPFS network, testing a lot, and eventually moving the iExec infrastructure to this decentralized platform. So thank you for listening to me, thank you for all the organizers of the HackFS hackathon, and I hope to see you someday when conferences start again. Bye.